What is going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me on this new video. Thanks for watching Mr. T Garage. 2006 Chevy Silverado 4.8. The AC was not working. I had this code P0530, so I checked the high pressure switch for 5-volt reference. This 5-volt reference ground, and then the signal return. This is the ground, and it's good. It's at, let's measure it. It's at 126 millivolts, so it's a good ground. This is a signal return from the high pressure switch, and this is 5 volts at the sensor, and this is 5 volts from the PCM. So if I take, I jumped this 5 volts, these 5 volts coming out of the PCM to the high pressure switch, and now the AC is working. You can hear it cycling. I don't know if you can see it, but it is on. I'm gonna take the 5 volts off, so it's finished cycling. I'm gonna wait until it turns on. So it's on, 5 volts off, and it turns off. 5 volts back on. Oh, I gotta reset it. Turn it off and then back on. Oh, there it goes. So it's got a broken 5 volt supply from here somewhere back. So that's why the cooling fan wasn't turning on, and no AC control. But now it's working. And let's measure the temperature. Where is it? Let me find it. Here it is. So that's the outside temperature. Oh, this one's at 80. Why is it so hot? But this one, oh baby. So I figured it out. It was a 5 volt reference. Thanks for watching. I am checking continuity with this, and it stops. It goes up to here, and then it stops right there. There, and it stops. This is for the 5 volts. So I'm gonna unravel that and see where the broken is, broken wire. Oh, look at that. I found it. Green crusties. Alright, so let's repair it and give it back to the customer. And there's the wire soldered. I'm also gonna do these other wires because I'm getting there. Erosion. So I'm gonna do all 3 and call it good. Alright, that's what the end result looks like. Let's see if it works. Once again, thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.